Monsoon Dance is a poem by Norma Hansen. The rain falls like ancient blessings, each drop a whispered prayer. She stands where water meets sky, draped in colors of earth and twilight. There is grace in surrender, in closing her eyes and letting the monsoon wash away the weight of the world. Here she is both stillness and motion, both the rain and the river receiving it. She moves as the rain moves, without permission, without apology, with pure freedom. This is remembering. The body knows we are made of water, of earth, of sky meeting ground, and in the falling rain she finds herself,